welcome back to our RecordsKeeper.AI tutorial series. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to specify the legal hold period for your records. This is a powerful feature that ensures your documents cannot be deleted, modified, or edited until the legal hold period is over. So, let's get started. From the sidebar menu, navigate to Settings and Policies. You'll see 3 tabs at the top. Click on the Policies tab, then click on the Legal Hold menu. Here, you'll see that the switch is turned off by default. This means you can modify and delete the files. However, if you turn this switch on and set the duration, then neither you nor your teammates will be able to modify or delete the records and files until that duration ends. Amazing, right? In case of a conflict between the retention period and the legal hold, the longer duration will apply. No mess, no stress, just effortless document and records management. Give it a try today and see how RecordsKeeper.AI can completely transform the way you manage your records. Sign up now to get a 3-day free trial. No credit card required. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.